Twitch Studio and OBS are two streaming tools. Which one should you choose? In this video we'll compare both. So let's get started. First things first, compared to OBS, Twitch Studio is more focused on new creators entering the streaming world. OBS is a bit challenging to use at first, but over time you become a pro. Let's compare the features of both now. Twitch Studio has a few features including auto game detection. If you play a game, the software automatically detects the game and adds it to the main scene. It comes with a built-in chat and alert system directly connected to your Twitch account. You also get to see and reply to chats and see your new followers straight in the program. The software is easy to install, set up and connect with your Twitch account. It comes with live, be right back and chatting scenes with options to customize and add more. Finally, when you set it up, it shows your internet speed and adjusts the stream quality for a smooth experience. You can also recheck the speed or change settings at any time. In comparison, OBS has a few benefits. Unlike Twitch Studio, OBS supports multiple platforms including Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. Second, it comes with over 100 plugins to extend its functionalities. And lastly, you can add more scenes and then sources to those scenes to organize your work. Now let's go to 3 tests that we will perform today. In the performance test, we check the computer's performance score while opening and recording in both files. During the startup of Twitch Studio, the performance scale climbed from 55 to 80%, an increase of 25%. In contrast, the CPU jumped to 65% while opening OBS Studio. Both did not impact the performance while recording the video, so this round goes to OBS. In the recording test, we record gameplay for about 1 minute and check the recorded video file. The recorded video file in Twitch Studio consumed 13.1 MB of storage on the default settings, whereas the video recorded in OBS took 22.3 MB of storage. The winner of this round is Twitch Studio. Finally, the last test checks the power usage of both tools during streaming and recording. While testing, the power usage of Twitch Studio was always either high or very high in Task Manager. In comparison, the power usage was always low while recording in OBS. So this round goes to OBS. So which one should you choose? To answer, if you only want to stream on Twitch, go with Twitch Studio. If you want to stream on other platforms as well, or like to have an option, you should consider OBS. The tool is tricky, but after a few tries, you get the hang of it. It can do almost everything that Twitch Studio does, and it has a lot of features than Twitch Studio. Lastly, if you don't have a powerful PC, then you should consider using OBS Studio. Alright, this is it for this video. I hope it helped you choose between Twitch Studio and OBS. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments and thumbs up if the video helped. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.